Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about identity. So we have s minus 1, s plus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So capital A over s minus 2, capital B over s minus 1, and capital C over s plus 1. Now, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about s minus 1, s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s minus 2, s plus 1. About C, it is missing about s minus 2, s minus 1. So, this one we have s minus 2, s minus 1, s plus 1. So, for this one, we have s squared minus 1. About this one, we have s squared minus s minus number 2. About this one, we have s squared minus 3s plus 2. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b plus c. About s, we have negative b, negative 3c, because b multiplied by negative number 1, c multiplied by negative number 3. About the number, we have negative a, negative 2b, plus 2c. And now, we need to compare coefficients. We just have only s, so this one should be about number 1. So negative b, negative 3c equals to number 1. We don't have s squared and the number in here. So this one should be equals to number 0. This one should be equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to 2 over 3, B equals to negative 1 over 2, C equals to negative 1 over 6. And now I will put A, B, C go in here. So A equal to 2 over 3, B equals to negative 1 over 2, C equals to negative 1 over 6. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.